now, I'm showing an earthquake that hit near Yellowstone. This is a 3.9 magnitude earthquake. This happened Monday. So we have another one here. Uh, let's see. So 3 weeks ago, we had this earthquake here, and this is actually in Idaho. You see here near the. This is 90 degrees angle between Idaho and I have a map. You're gonna see exactly what it is. Here it is. You see this one? 3 weeks ago, hit between Idaho and Montana. And then we have this one here, Yellowstone, between Wyoming and Idaho. And this is also Wyoming here. You see Wyoming, Idaho. So here, I believe this is Wyoming and Idaho. So this here, exactly where the Yellowstone. So this is 3 weeks ago. You see here, September 8th. And this is here. So just want to show you the earthquakes, a lot of earthquakes. Then we're gonna see a spaceship of King Anu. The boats were going to Gaza were seized by the Israelis. They took the boats, and we have also attack in Lebanon. So let's read this one. Lebanon says 2 dead in Israeli strike. See here the car is bombed. So this Thursday. Yesterday, the Lebanese health ministry said 2 people were killed in Israeli attack on the country south on Thursday. The latest deadly attack spiked in November ceasefire between Israel and Hezbollah. So 2 people were killed. Target a vehicle on the Jamara Kadrar road. So Israel is continuing bomb action in Lebanon, airstrikes targeting Hezbollah members. They have also troops in 5 areas in South Lebanon. And Wednesday, one were killed. You see, 5 injured in Kafra. And September 21, airstrike on southern Lebanon town of Benifed killed 5 people, including 3 children. So you see, not all Hezbollah, the United Nations, the deaths of 100 civilians since the ceasefire. So 100 have been killed since the ceasefire in November last year. So here we have in Gaza, also the killing continues. At least 53 Palestinians killed in fresh waves of Israeli attacks on Gaza. This is Thursday. You see here Thursday, second yesterday. At least 53 Palestinians were killed by Israeli airstrikes and gunfires in Gaza. And Hamas delivered over how to respond to Donald Trump's ultimatum to end the war. The Israeli military carried out attacks across the territory on Thursday, including southern al-Masawi area, which have been declared safe zone. At least 9 Palestinians were killed, including grandfather, his 4 sons, and grandson, when the Israeli military struck a food camp. So yeah, it's ongoing. We read about the flotilla. Let's see here if you have anything. So we have disruption in Munich. This is Germany airport. They have seen drones. They suspect Russia. So Russia denied. So Germany, Munich report reopens after halting fights because of drone sighting. So here you have an attack. Manchester synagogue victims died after being shot by police. The attacker's father expressed sorrow at killing. Let's see this one. Victim died after being shot by armed police. Uh, police response to synagogue attack. One of the victims in Thursday attack yesterday outside a synagogue in northern Manchester died after being shot accidentally by uh, police officer. By an armed officer, police have said. Chief Constable Stephen Watson of Greater Manchester Police said the attacker, Jihad al-Shami, was not in possession of firearm. He said the death of member was a result of tragic and unforeseen consequence of urgent request. So they shot this guy accidentally, and the attacker, al-Shami, he attacked, but he didn't succeed. He might be injured, but he didn't kill, and the police killed him and killed one of the other victim, or it was three killed. I don't know. So three killed, I suppose. One killed by the attacker, and one killed by the police. So let's read about the boats. So this very sad stories you see here. Both to Gaza seized by Israelis. So they got Greta Thunberg, Swedish activists. Let's read this one from BBC. Israel intercepts Gaza flotilla and detains activists, including Greta Thunberg. Hundreds of activists, including Swedish climate campaigner Greta Thunberg, has been detained by Israeli forces after flotilla carrying aid bound for Gaza was intercepted. Israeli Foreign Minister said that it does involve the global Sumud flotilla who were being transferred to Israeli port to be deported. The first port was stopped about 70 nautical miles off of Gaza coast international waters. Other closer Islamic ports in this area does not have jurisdiction there. So they don't have right to do that in international waters. It's free for everybody to be there. So the charges will be something else. They cannot say they have penetrated Gaza, or like they cannot even say they tried. They've been in international waters. They can do whatever. They have rat on the sides, of course. But I think Israel is. They will talk about they're gonna send more ships, more boats to break the siege on Gaza. So let's see Spaceship of King Anu. We have this earthquake. I want to show you quickly the earthquake in Indonesia, like 100 killed. So we have this one here. Let's see if this one is. So we have here another one. You see here 3.9. This is almost the same area you see here. I cannot see another map. Oh, here it is. So this is Idaho. You see here. So this is you see this is the same area. So this is Yomi. So yeah, this is the same area. So it's 3.9, 3 weeks, and 3.9 again. So let's write 3.9 earthquake near Yellowstone. It will be enough, I believe. And here you see it as well. You see it's 11 hours ago. So this is near Yellowstone. Actually, it's Yellowstone. See how been. Uh, we have only 4 days, but 3.9 in 2 weeks. In 3 weeks, something's going on. Maybe we don't know. Just guessing here. We don't know anything. We just want to talk about the Indonesian earthquake because Indonesia got an earthquake and many casualties, unfortunately. And we have also in Argentina earthquake. You see here Philippines active 5.3, 5.7 Argentina. This is Argentina 5.7. 16 hours ago. I didn't read about that one because I was reading about other earthquake that hit Indonesia. Let's read about this one. Then we're gonna finish after watching pictures spaceship of King Anu the Most High. So let's see here earthquake Indonesia. So let's see here. Rescuers race to save survivors of Indonesia school collapse as quake hits magnitude 6.5. This is 1 October. This is today is 3 October. This is before yesterday. This is Wednesday. The rescuers have pulled five survivors from collapsed building in Indonesia. Effort to save dozens of children believed to be trapped under the rubble 2 days later. Part of them. So 6.5 magnitude earthquake on Wednesday. Not didn't say how many kills. So it's been active. So no, this is old one. Let's see if they have written about it. So I don't know. They didn't write about this one. Anyways, uh, let's write 50 kill. 50 kill maybe. 100. So this is the one. Indonesia quake kills more than 50, injures 100, and destroy home. No, not sorry, not this one. So no reports. So 9 here. So anyways, it was 9 3 days ago, but we have people under the rubber. I cannot read Reuters. That's why I don't go there. I need to update the device. So 2 days ago, rescue race to find survivors. Indonesia school collapse. This is another story here. Trapped in rubble. Happened same day though in Indonesia. I thought we changed that. So this is another story. It's, collapsed school building. 50 trapped. So if we write like this, 1 October, maybe we're gonna find more stuff. Yeah, no casualties. Yeah, we don't really know. It's hard to see to find information about what happened. But maybe it was all from the school collapse. So earthquake, just injuries. I'm not sure about that. So let's see here, Argentina earthquake, 5.8, 5.7. Argentina, magnitude 5.7. Argentina. So yeah, something's going on. The activity is on the rise. Indeed, it is. We have explosion in oil in explosion in oil. So this is also here. This one exploded underway into massive fire. Chevron El Segundo refinery. So battling a massive fire erupted at Chevron refinery in El Segundo. This is America. The refinery is a large oil producing site on the west coast. Isn't the first explosion has been. They didn't know why it is happening. They say it was not immediately clear what caused the Thursday blaze. So let's go to Spaceship of King Anu. I don't have many pictures, sorry, but anyways, we don't want this video to be long. Following what's going to happen with this was being taken by the Israelis, those who were on the boat, and last picture it was here, I believe. No, those you didn't see. Yeah, so here it was. So last video I made this, showed you this stuff sighting from 17, 27 September. And here we come to, you see it was raining here. I believe somebody was in the car and this object, you don't know if you see it. Maybe if I take out the reflection. You see it? See it? And this guy who was sitting in his car actually, so cannot be the sun because it was raining. The sun is very weak, cannot be reflecting. It cannot be the moon. Looking like an egg shape. You see, the egg shape may be suspicious. Also, this is egg shape. This is here. Spaceship of King Anu. This is egg shape. This is egg shape. See here. Picture. Yeah. So this also we take a picture for this one. This is like a box in the sky. Cannot be a drone, airplane, or helicopter. Very strange. This is Spaceship of King Anu. This is Spain. This is also Tenerife. This one, I'm gonna take a thumbnail. And here we have it as well. This is cigar shape. This is a Spanish flag. This is Spain. This is Tenerife. This is also Spaceship of King Anu. I'm gonna take also picture. You see the details. This one also Spaceship of King Anu. You can take this one as well. And this one. This is nice. Also, Spain mainland. This one also we can put on the thumbnail actually. It will be this one. See, this is Spaceship of King Anu in Spain. And here also this one is good. Behind the letters that is written on the screen. maybe like, yeah, it would be hard to make it bigger. This one is good as well. So not many pictures actually. This is at night. Will be reflecting. This one also here near where the buildings. And what about this screen? This one you see the colors. This one's good actually. So here we have it 29 September. 29 September. And here it is. Make it big here. And here. And up, up. This and here. All praise the Most High King Anu, Creator of life, God of love and forgiveness and righteousness, God of glory, Creator of life, the one who will he is and will sit on the throne forever and ever. He's everywhere. This is a spaceship, and of course, people ask why God should have a spaceship, but because God is more wiser than all of us. I don't know. Spaceship missions and stuff. Space God is everywhere at the same time. Everywhere. So of course this is related to the missions at end times. We talked about the Battle of Armageddon coming soon. So this is also UFO. And here we have this object in the sky. See, it's changing all the time because of some kind of movement. I cannot say. This is 30th of September. You see here, 30 September. So you see here also about construction. So here it is, and here it is, and here it is. So I'm just documenting the sky. If you don't believe, it's up to you. You see this, some kind like arena, some kind of like a ring, I don't say like castle. You see, it goes around. See inside, like swimming pool in the sky. And here is a spaceship actually. So I built big here, it went here up, then here it went like that. And here it is. And here you see more of it. Here and here you see this is nice. Here you see more. And here before disappearing. I have also this one. This is good. I cannot put on thumbnail. And then here we have this is 1st of October, but I will save it to later. I want to make this video short, so we finish now. Blessings.